Hello everyone, this video is for class 10th IT students for session 2024-25 and even for next year session because syllabus is same, and we are going to discuss important MCQs from digital documentation and first chapter, that is introduction to styles. And in the coming videos we are going to discuss the remaining chapters MCQ also. So stay tuned. Let's begin solving MCQs. To avoid inconsistency in formatting and reduce time and effort in formatting a document. So when we are applying formatting on a document, we want to save our time and effort. It means कि बहुत सारे जो भी formatting effects है वो एक साथ apply हो जाए writer में. Then we should apply styles. Now next is a dash is a collection of all formatting information which you want to save and then apply on the document. So this style definition is very important. It can be asked in 2 marks questions also, like define styles and name the different types of styles. So this is very important topic, like define style, what are different types of style, how you can create new styles, how you can update a style. Now we'll see the third MCQ. Which of the following is not a style in LibreOffice Writer? Page is a style, paragraph is also a style, frame is also a style, so column is not a style, so option C will be the correct option here. If a page style is not specified, writer uses its built-in dash page style. So if we have not mentioned page style, any page styles, then it uses default page style. Next MCQ, dash are like containers which can hold text, graphics and list. So frame are like containers which can hold different text, graphics and list. Next, using dash, a document can be organized in sections so that each section of the page can have a different appearance. Its answer is frames. So when we use frames, document can be organized into different sections. So all the styles are very important. इनको define करने के लिए भी आ सकता है 4 marks के questions में, या फिर आपको इस तरीके के MCQs में भी इनकी definition या इनका use दिया हो सकता है और आपको style को identify करना होगा. Which of the following style allows changing the text color, text size, highlighting text and emphasizing it? So it is character style because it is related to text color, text size means individual character. Now, how many methods are there to access predefined styles in LibreOffice Writer? So there are 4 methods. One is using shortcut key, another is using from the sidebar of the writer, and one is styles menu, and another is from formatting toolbar. So you should know all the methods to access predefined styles in LibreOffice Writer. Next is which shortcut key is used to open styles window. So F11 is the shortcut key through which we can open a styles window. Next, from the bottom of the styles window, selecting dash option displays its style along with the name in the list. So name of the styles as well as how the text is going to appear after applying those styles is also visible, and it is done using show preview option. So if it is enabled, then you can see the style as well as their name. Next is which feature in Writer allows you to apply the same style to multiple words scattered throughout the document. So this one is fill format option. Next, using predefined dash style allow you to use them as a bookmark for browsing the document. So how we can set any text as a bookmark for browsing the document? It is when you are using heading style. Next is fill format option is the dash icon from the right of the style menu, right side. So it is the second option. So why I have given such type of MCQ even कि कौन सा icon हो सकता है, because NCERT जो PDF प्रोवाइडेड है, स्टडी मटेरियल प्रोवाइडेड है CBSE की तरफ से, उसमें से कोई भी लाइन से आपका MCQ बन सकता है, इसलिए आपको उसकी हर एक लाइन अच्छे से रीड करनी है. सो दैट्स वाई यू शुड नो कि वहाँ से कोई सी भी लाइन से MCQ आ सकता है. सो प्रिपेयर इट वेल. नेक्स्ट, विच की इज़ यूज टू क्विट fill format option or disable fill button? So its answer is escape key. Now next, if existing styles specified by writer do not match your requirement, so जो भी styles है वो आपकी requirement match नहीं कर रहे, then you have to create a custom style. You can create a custom style. Next is the last button in style menu is dash button, which is used to create a new style or modify an existing style. So last button is called styles action. Next is which is not a method to create a new style. So when we are creating a new style, from selection is a method, this is correct. Drag and drop भी होता है. Loading style is not for creating a new style, it is for copying the style from other documents. So option C will be the correct option here. Last option in the style section button of style menu is, so there are different options in style action button. So last we have to check the last option, it is load styles. Next, which of the following is used to copy styles from an existing template or document, अभी हमने डिस्कस किया, that is load styles. Next, by selecting dash option, the styles being copied will replace an existing styles with the same name. So when you are copying the styles, so what will happen, जो भी same name के styles होंगे, it will be replaced with the same name. So how it happens, when you enable the overwrite option. So option A is the correct option. So this much for this video. I hope ये 20 MCQs आपको चैप्टर 1 रिवाइज करने में हेल्प करेंगे, दैट इज़ इंट्रोडक्शन टू स्टाइल्स. ऐसे ही आपको और MCQs चाहिए फॉर चैप्टर 2 चैप्टर 3 जल्दी से, तो कमेंट करके बताइएगा, लाइक करिएगा इस वीडियो को, एंड प्लीज़ शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर IT एग्जाम.